Miss Vicki, I'm so glad you're here in Georgia today. Where do you live?
I live in West Virginia, Charleston, West Virginia, and we had to fly here because we were afraid to drive through Atlanta.
I know. I'm afraid to drive to Atlanta. And I live here. But I'm so glad you're here. I'm so glad you're here. Tell us your story, Miss Vicki.
Well, I'm really not, I'm healthy now, but I've been through 9 years ago. I had breast cancer, and I had a mastectomy and 9 surgeries and 18 months of chemo.
Wow.
And that was it. No lymph node involvement, and that was it. And then since then, I've had a couple of rounds of COVID. I had polycystic ovary syndrome, and menopause and all that. Mm-hmm. And then 4 months ago, I lost my husband. So this is the hair that I've got left.
There's grief. There's surgeries. There's a lot of things that do that. I'm so sorry about your husband. How long were y'all married?
30 years.
30 years.
Yeah.
What a blessing.
Yes, he was. And he was fine, hair, no hair. That wasn't an issue. But then I found you on Facebook, and I've had terrible wigs, and you have wonderful wigs. And so I just decided at 71, I wanted some wonderful hair.
I love that.
So I'm here.
Well, you definitely got it. So we've been looking at hair, and you tried a lot on, but we're going to skip to the good part because she already found it, and we got it styled in by Paige, and we went with Joslyn, and this is absolutely beautiful. This is a 12-inch, and we had it cut and styled. Look how beautiful. Oh, Miss Vicki, how beautiful is that?
This is not like any other wig I've ever seen, and it feels perfect. When she was cutting my hair, I thought, why can't I feel this? And I had to remind myself that it's because it's a wig. But now it's just my hair. I'm not even going to think about it as a wig. It's just my hair.
It is just your hair. It is gorgeous. I'm going to show the back of it.
Okay.
Look how pretty. Got some layers and some curls. It looks like it's literally growing out of your head.
And I met some wonderful people, the customers and the people who work here, and everybody here has a mission. It's more than just work, and it's just been a blessing. And Diana prayed with me, and I could just feel Jesus in the room.
There is nothing I want to hear more than that.
Yeah.
That you feel the Holy Spirit, and you have great hair. You get both here.
Yeah. Yeah.
And this is the Lord gave me a saying. It was to be mission-minded, not commission-minded.
Oh, that's good.
And it changed everything. Our ladies get paid the same if you get a synthetic wig, if you get a human hair or whatever. We want you to get what's good for you. And there's been many times that I've told ladies, you know what, you really don't need a wig. Let's get some powders. We can camouflage this, and they're grateful for that. We're not going to sell you something just to sell you something, but we want to get exactly what you like. And this literally looks like it was made for you.
I'm just blessed, and the whole trip was just a blessing. So glad I came.
I'm so glad. Well, thank you so very much.
Thank you.
I love you.
Thank you, sweetheart.